Hello, lovely ladies. I'm excited to welcome you all to my YouTube channel, where we share our passion for women's fashion. Whether you're a trendsetter, a minimalist, or somewhere in between, our channel has something for everyone. If you're new here, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest uploads. We've got a plethora of videos and playlists that cater to all your fashion needs, including outfit ideas, makeup tutorials, and style hacks. Our team of fashion experts works hard to create content that not only inspires, but also educates you on the latest fashion trends and how to incorporate them into your wardrobe. As our channel continues to grow, we plan to offer the best deals and offers on women's fashion to our community. Our goal is to become your go-to destination for all things fashion-related, and we can't do it without your support. So take a moment to explore our channel and check out our playlists. We guarantee you'll find something that piques your interest and inspires you to elevate your style game. And don't forget to leave a comment and let us know what you think of our content. Your feedback is always appreciated and helps us improve our videos. Thank you for joining our fashion community, and let's stay stylish together.